Good morning, friends. Hey, I'm Holly Wade with Holly Wade Wellness. Thanks so much for joining this morning. When we start feeling grumpy, when we start feeling sluggish, when we have lost our spark, the internal spark, when we feel overstretched, like there's not enough time in the day, those are all signs that something is out of balance. Getting sick more often, all those things. And there's really one thing. When you can identify what is out of balance, there's one thing to do to restore that balance. So if your body is showing you that it's out of balance, lack of energy, lack of bowel movements or too many, brittle nails, brittle hair, skin things, that's all telling you that there is an imbalance. So what do? We fill our bodies with more of the good stuff. It's no more complicated than that. High quality fruits and vegetables, high quality protein, high quality fats. That simple. When it's time, when it's our job, when it's what we do is we replace with more fun, more of the good stuff, more things that light you up, more things that fill you up. That's who we all want to be. That's our best life and our best self. It's no more complicated than that. More of what lights you up. So what is that? And it's probably not all that complicated. That's the crazy cool part. The things that generally light us up are very simple, but we overcomplicate. So maybe it's your dog. Maybe it's like you love spending time with your dog. Maybe it's your morning coffee. Maybe it's stargazing. Maybe it's spending time in nature. And if your soul is feeling sucked, if the life feels drained out of you, maybe it's time to figure out how to get some of that back into your life. If you're leaning forward and going, yes, then I'd love to invite you to reawaken. Reawaken to your heart's desires. That is a 1.5-day retreat on 80 acres of sacred ground near Vermilion, South Dakota. So little tree house, little cabin, really cute and quaint, and that slice of heaven. Because if there's anything I know, it's getting out of what's familiar, getting grounded in nature, releasing the distractions. That's what allows me the space to listen here. And I would venture to guess that's what allows you that chance too. So I hope you'll join. $297 if you need accommodations, meaning you need to stay in the cabin. $197 if you already live in that area or have someplace else to stay. So super affordable. Super affordable. Let's get you there. And we're going to dance, we're going to hike, we're going to do all kinds of great things. So I hope to see you. More of the good stuff, more of the fun, more of the happy, more of the things that bring you to life. We need more of that and less of the other, less of the stuff that's draining us. Have a great day, everyone. This is one of the ways we create health and rebel against what the world is telling us. Have a great day.